To multiply 2-digit times 2-digit, we have to first understand what it is. So 12 times 12, and because we've done so much multiplication, we know that we have to draw 12 groups and put 12 in each group. So let's take a look at this. We need to add 12 groups of 12. So we're looking for shortcuts. I see that I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 groups right here. So I'm going to just draw a line. And then I can start adding. But let's try to find another shortcut. I see there's lots of 10s here. So let's calculate 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I have 100 when I count just the 10s. Now what about the 2s? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, I have 20 with just the 2s on this side. What about over here? I have another 10 and I have another 10. Well, that's 20. So I'm going to add another 20 here. Plus 2 plus 2 is 4. The reason I cut it off here is because there's 10 groups and that's a lot easier to calculate when I have 10 times 10 is 100. And then I add them all together. 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 4 is 144. So I know that answer. But what happens if I have a question like 35 times 54? I'm not going to draw 35 groups with 54 in each group, or 54 groups with 35. That's going to take me too long. So we have to find another shortcut. So we're going to draw a box of 12 times 12. So if this is 12 up here, I'm going to put 10 and then a 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. And on this side, a 10 plus 2 here. So let's look at that. 10 times 10 is 100. So we'll even write 10 times 10, which is the same 100 as down here. 10 times 2, because there's going to be 2 long blocks here. So 10 times 2 is 20, which is the same 20 as here. 10 groups of 2 is 20. Now on this side, we also have 2 groups of 10. 10 times 2 is 20, which is this 20. 10 plus 10 on this side. And this box down here, we have 2 times 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 2 equals 4, which is the same as the 2 plus 2 is 4 down here. And we add it all together. 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 4 is still 144, the same as down here. And we can write that answer. So we understand now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplications that we need to do when we have a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, so that we can calculate higher numbers because we have to do 4 multiplications.